I'm taking a video. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
What are you doing, Andrew?
Cutting stuff.
What kind of stuff?
Dill peppers.
What kind, I'm sorry?
Dill peppers.
Really? Are they yummy?
Yeah.
And you're dipping them in something over there?
Yeah.
What is that? Okay, no, put the knife down. Okay. So this is Andrew having a very healthy, don't put your tongue in it because other people eat from that. A very healthy, or at least it was till just then, after school snack. So. You didn't even get any on you. Don't dip it twice. You can't dip it twice.
Who cares?
Everybody.
Mom,
If you're going to dip it twice, I do. I share it.
With who?
With me. All right. Tell Daddy bye.
Bye, Daddy. Yeah.
Say I love you.
I love you.